Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I'm just going to share with you a quick project using my scraps from the recent summer slab that I made. I just passed the clay through the roller into the number 5 setting a couple of times and added a bit of gray granite, making sure that I didn't mix it completely. Then I got my phone grip or pop socket and traced the shape of it on my slab. I don't have a cutter in this diameter, so I just used my detail needle to trace the shape. I then removed the excess clay. Up close, you can see how nice the wavy colors are, mixed with the textures of gray granite. Next, I start rolling out the wasabi green color that I mixed last week into snakes. These will be the stems of my flowers. I also flattened out the rest of the clay into the number 7 setting and got my micro leaf cutter. I then place these leaves on the stem and use a tissue blade to place the veins on the leaves. Next, I got another micro cutter to punch out the flowers. I used the rest of the warm colors from my tropical summer palette to make the flowers. I actually only used one cutter, except sometimes I'd cut off one of the petals to have a different shape. Then I got the Isabelline color and punched micro circles. These circles get cut in half and then textured. And there you have it. I actually did a couple of versions of these pop sockets, and it was so fun to see them in different designs, with some having stamped text on it. I hope that you enjoyed today's short video. And if you did, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!